हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज रूबिया। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। ओके गाइस, क्वालिटी में डिफर बिकॉज ये मेरे भाई का फ़ोन है, मेरा फ़ोन पूरा फुल है, लाइक टोटली फुल ड्यू टू उदयपुर व्लॉग. सो येस, एंड आई जस्ट लव्ड हिज फोन एज वेल. Okay, I just woke up, it's Saturday morning, and I thought to shoot a day in my life. So yes, the plan for today is that I'm going office. Yes, Saturday bhi I'm going office because I wanted to just finish with my Udaipur vlog, and there's my sister's wedding. So उसका invitation भी बनाना है. It's half ready, half बनाना है. So she will come afternoon के बाद. So maybe we'll finish with that and then we'll go for printing. And even today's plan is that to just do my nails. First time I am planning to do my acrylic or gel nails outside at a salon. So let's see, I'll just take you guys along. And yes, I'll just I've just washed my hair and wearing jumpsuit. Yes, I'll just show my OTD and this jacket. This jacket, if you guys are wondering, yes, there are a lot of people asking me on Instagram. This jacket is from Myntra. I'll put the link in the description box. It is 2-in-1 jacket and I just loved it. I have used it several times. And yes, I'll just get ready. I have washed my hair, so I'll just comb my hair and see you when I reach office maybe. Yeah, guys, all set. Bag भी भर लिया है मैंने. Now just going. Yes, I'll show you my OOTD once I reach there. कोई लेने वाला नहीं है OOTD. But anyways, get back to you once I reach there. Bye bye. Okay guys, reached office. You can see my office. वैसे तो I haven't done office tour, but I'll just show a mini tour of this office. So here, this is Dreamcatcher, which is something my favorite. You must have seen on Instagram. Here, I'll just flip the camera and show you. Okay, here it is written, remember why you started. This is exactly in front of where I sit, and here we have stairs. From here we can go in above section, but before that, here. So here we have a table, a chair. This is decorated by my team, and this is very pretty, like 2-3 people can sit over here. I just love this area. Here भगवान का area है, blue lights है. And here we have my beautiful this backdrop which says girl boss, star princess, and a lot of things like motivation things. And this is our pictures. ये दिवाली का photo है, ये हमारे पुराने office का picture है, and this is also from previous office. This leaf and a lot of good things. This is my table. This is where I sit. My zipper, which I love the most, मेरा favorite वाला है. Okay, my laptop, my another phone. भी देख लो here. Okay, here I am editing my Udaipur vlog. Like there are more than 500 clips, so I need to edit those, and there are a lot of things, like a lot of mess. So इसलिए Saturday आना पड़ा मुझे office. Like I just wanted to finish this thing. Here's the dustbin, and a lot of things are still left. यहाँ पे स्टेयर्स है, ऊपर जाते हैं. आई शो यू. ये पानी का है, स्टिल लेफ्ट टू बाय. अभी तो हम लोग ये यूज़ कर रहे हैं केटल. एंड दिस, फ्रॉम दिस यू कैन जस्ट, आई जस्ट शो यू पानी कैसे निकलता है. आई जस्ट शो यू, होल्ड ऑन. सो वेट, दिस इज़ ऑफिस. ये ऊपर का जगह है. या आई होप इट इज़ विजिबल. योर बीन बैग मस्ट. These are the cabinets. 2 more people can sit over here. Bean bag, flower pots, showpieces. Like even we are not settled over here. AC. But I'll on this switch. This is kettle. We have green tea and all those things. That's why. Okay guys, so I feel even we are not settled over here. Like क्या हुआ? You know what? When we started before Diwali, like exactly a day before Dhanteras. And shifting में 1-2 दिन निकल गया, and after that we had 1 week का Diwali holidays. And after that when we started, it was only 1 week, तो वो settling में ही चला गया. Like few things were still left, like putting on frames and putting on this soft board, and a lot of things were left. So we figured out that thing. After that I went to Udaipur, and then here I am working on Saturday, working on Udaipur vlog. Yes, this is bean bag. I just love this bag. Like ये मैं घर से लेके आई, but I just love this space. This is one of my favorite corner of the office. I just love it. And yes, we'll just get back to you. I'll just finish with my work, and when my sister comes, I'll show you my invitation as well, which I have made for a wedding. It is really superb, amazing. Okay, guys, so I have to just click over here on this red button. I'll just click it. Hold on, पानी गिरेगा. Just hold on. I'll just click it and show. Okay, guys, my sipper is filled. My sister came. You can see my vlog is about to end. I don't know आज होगा कि नहीं. Okay, guys, see, she's here. We'll be editing her wedding invite. Okay, my Udaipur vlog, it is still left, but anyways we'll continue on Monday. Let's see इसका invite कर लेते हैं. I'll show you after it is printed. So just stay tuned for that. Okay, guys, it's already 2:28. Not done. एक page बाकी.
One page is remaining.
One page is remaining. It's already 2:28, and for lunch we were planning to order something, but my brother is also coming over here. He wants family time, cousins time. See, his call came. Okay, so my brother is also coming, and we'll have cousins time. Even her sister Nishi might also come. She might come. Her exam is there next week, like on Thursday, and today is Saturday. So let's see. I'll just show you the designs, and the designs are quite beautiful. But we are hungry and having fun over here. So yeah. You can see my brother came to help.
We are chilling here.
Yes. खाना, food. Where is sandwich?
ऊपर ला रहा है.
ला रहा है.
ऊपर ला रहा है. Home delivery.
Home delivery.
Office
Okay.
delivery. Office delivery. Gujarati language.
Yes, and the point over here is that we have to type in Gujarati, and we both don't know Gujarati much.
Kankotri, but we don't know Gujarati much.
Yeah, we know, but not that much कि पूरा कंकोत्री बना सकते हैं. But so we have to take help of our parents, call them again and again, tell them कि type करके भेजो, and उसके बाद मात्रा वात्रा का बहुत. So yes, we are struggling over that, but anyways.
We are up to March.
Yes, so almost we are struggling and almost done. So yay, achievement. Okay, so I'll show you the designs. Finally guys, अब जाके पैक कर रहे हैं हम लोग. It's already, wait, I'll show you the time. It's already 4:36. Wait, दिख रहा है क्या? 4:36 and पूरा दिन गया है इसके पीछे. Now we are going for printing and a lot of different stuffs. I'll just put the designs on the screen. PDF बनाया है, इसका screen recording लेके I'll just put the designs over here, and I'm very excited for printing. So we are just going there, and nails भी कराना है आज. I don't know, 4:30 already बज गए हैं. So let's see, printing hopefully अच्छे से हो जाए. Enjoying with me? Yes.
Now we are going at my place for showing this.
Yes, to her sister, because she didn't came. Her exam is there, as I said, and it's almost ready. Bata.
Almost ready.
Almost ready. Designs is looking superb. Only cover is left. So we'll go again to office, design that cover, and then come back here to take the cover. So long day. A lot of things are left. So bye bye. Signing off. Okay, nails will go on tomorrow.
Because right now there is no appointment and they are telling us to come tomorrow.
Yes, we actually thought that we'll get appointment, like we'll go on the spot, get our nails done, but it wasn't possible. They're not free, so tomorrow they told. So it will go tomorrow, Sunday morning. That is 11:30. 11:30 का appointment दिया.
11:30.
Yes, so 11:30 का appointment दिया. So anyways, now we are going. इसके घर पे ये दिखाएंगे, फिर और एक डिज़ाइन करेंगे, and then we'll go home. Finally, very tired. It's
Yeah.
already
6.
6. Yeah. Okay guys, it's 8 o'clock. Yes, and we are still here at office. show them. See this. 1 2 3 4. Yes, इसका cover पे design कर दिया है हम लोग ने. We have designed. I'll just show you the designs of cover. See, I don't know visible or not, but once it is printed everything, I'll show you. And now we are going at her place. Her place is near my office. So yes, whole family is coming, so it's family get together. Nails are pending for tomorrow, so I might shoot tomorrow as well. And tomorrow she has to go somewhere else, so हमारा appointment हम लोग ने shift करा दिया. I'll do in the morning and she'll do
it evening.
Yes, because she is very busy. Her wedding is there. मेरा ठीक है, मैं सुबह ही करवा लूँगी because I wanted to do since very long time. और कुछ
घर पे जाके to be continued.
to be continued घर पे जाके. Yeah, very hungry as well. मेरी बुआ ने पिज़्ज़ा बनाया है. So yes, we are going there. Okay guys, so running very late. It's already 11:20 and I have 11:30 का appointment as I said yesterday. So I'll just explain you the brief. Like yesterday I went to my Fai's home and we were just talking and it was all family time, and we left from there by 1 o'clock, like 12:30, 1 o'clock. So it got literally super late coming at home, and after coming home I was awake and we were talking, and it almost took 2:30. And I obviously, it's Sunday morning. Sunday I don't put an alarm if it's not needed, so I woke up late and I am just getting ready and going for nails. I'm super excited. So yeah, let's see. I'll just get back to you once I reach there and I'll show you my OOTD. Shayad se yesterday also I forgot to shoot the OOTD, so I'll just put the picture beside that clip maybe. And today also if I forget, I'll just put the pictures I always click, and I'm sure you must have already seen on Instagram. So yes, just catch you once I reach there. Done with nails. Get back to you once I reach home. बहुत pretty लग रहा है. Okay guys, nails are looking very pretty. Like I just love them. hope you guys can see. Is it visible or not? बहुत pretty लग रहा है. I just loved it. I am very much excited. Like I was very much excited because I haven't done like इतना pretty लग रहा है ना. I'm like I'll do it again at my sister's wedding. This was just a trial. I never expected it will look so pretty. I just loved it. I always wanted this ombre effect on my nails. So anyways, done it. Now, yes, reached home. It's already like 3:30. It took almost 2 to 3 hours. And उसने बहुत पेशेंटली किया. आई जस्ट लव्ड इट एंड इवन आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस. में बैठी थी अच्छे से. ठीक है, करना है करो, चलेगा. लाइक टेक योर टाइम, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट गिव मी द बेस्ट थिंग. So yes, it's done and I'm very 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 happy about it. So yes, now I'll have my lunch. I know it's already 3:30, about to 4, and I'll have my lunch. मम्मी ने मस्त सा ऊंधियो पूरी सब बनाया है. But anyways, I'll have my lunch and just end my vlog. That was my simple life day, like a weekend which is very busy if I am not traveling anywhere. Next weekend also I'm traveling somewhere. Previous weekend I was at Udaipur. So yes, this weekend when I'm at home, I just finish all my other activities with family or social work or with friends or whatever is left. I'll just keep on. I just push everything on weekends. So yes, this is how my busy weekends go. That was all. Do hit like and do connect on Instagram and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This is just basic so that we guys can connect and have fun. That's it. See you in next video. Bye bye.